Hi everyone. While loops. Let's take a look at while loops. So usually the while loop starts with while. That's why we call it while loop. All right. So while loops are similar to the for loops. The big difference is the way Matlab decides how many times to repeat the loop. How many times to repeat the loop. So while loops continue until some criterion is met. It will continue by default forever until some criterion is met. So the format of while loop is, let's say, so you have to start, for example, let's say the index equals 0. Okay, while, while k, okay, less than 3, while k less than 3, okay, then k, okay, uh, um, k, let's say k, okay, k here, k equals k plus 1. All right, so at the beginning k is 0 at the beginning, and again let's not forget CLC, and clear. Okay, all right, so at the beginning k is 0. So while um, k, uh, sorry, while k less than 3, while k is less than 3, okay, loop again. All right, so what we do inside the loop, we change the value of k. So at the beginning it equals 1, then 2, okay, and then when it becomes a 3, it will not loop again. It will not loop again. So let's save this, try it out, okay, and we call it while example. While example. All right. All right. While example. Okay. So when you come in here, let's put a comment in here at the beginning. Let's put a comment, which is k at this time equals how much? Equals 0. K equals 0. So at this time, k is 0. Okay. Let's run it first. Make sure it works. Yes. So k is 0. So is 0 less than 3? Yes, then you go inside the loop. So how much is k now? At this time in here, k how much will become? K will equal to 1. Will equal to 1. Alright, it will loop again. Okay, how much k now is 1? Alright, so is 1 less than 3? Yes, it go again. Okay, so now k equals, at the second time, equals how much? 1. Okay, now when you go inside k plus 1, so how much is k now? Is 2. Change to 2. All right, and we'll continue. Could continue with that. Um, um, so um, it will loop one more time, and how much k 2? So now k is equals 2, and then when it goes down in here, it becomes 3. All right, loops again. Is 3 less than 3? No. Then it will quit. It will go to the end. And that's why we looped how many times? We looped 0, 1, 2. All right. We looped like um, um, in here at the beginning is k is 0. When we declared it in here, actually I could put it like this because I don't want to print it here. All right, the first time we looped k printed 1, then k printed 2, and k printed 3. Looped it 3 times. All right, now if I don't, if for example I change all of this, okay, if I delete all of this, all right, and then delete the comment in here, and I'm here printing only k. So if I run it, what will happen? It will keep running forever because I'm not changing the value of k. It's gonna keep printing k equals 0. Let's run it. It could hang up the computer, by the way. You see, it will keep running forever, forever. All right. So because I don't change the value, the criteria will never be met and will never stop. Anyways, you could do Control C to stop it, Control C to stop it. It will be like infinite loop. So you have to be careful when you write your code that you don't end with infinite with infinite loop. So that's how it is. I mean, the condition will be different. So if we plan to write the same code we wrote before for the scores, maybe I still have it here. Okay, the scores. Let's write it completely. So let's write. Okay, no, let's get it from here. So let's K, for example. These are the scores. Do I copy from here? Maybe not. Maybe I have to use Control C. This Control C. This. All right. So let's say I have score. Let's delete all of this in here, and scores. All right. Scores equals whatever I had from before. Well, these are not the scores. Anyways, let's pick up the scores. Pick up scores, whatever scores we want. Okay, let's say 67, 98, 96, 76, 99, whatever. Okay, so these are basically the scores that we could use. These are the scores that we need to calculate. So at the beginning, I would like to know how many scores are above 99. So count, I could create count equals to 0. Okay, so at the beginning we have 0, then k equals to 0. I'm gonna loop through them. Okay, and I don't have to print this. Actually, I could make it like that. All right, and this too, I could like have a semicolon that it does not print. All right, so then after that I'm gonna use while. I don't want to use for. I'm gonna try while. Okay, while k less than, okay, the length, okay, the length of what? The length of scores. Okay, because again I could have variable number of scores. All right, and I have to make sure I change the value of k. I have to change the value of k. So k, it will be +1. Okay, k equals +1, and I don't want to show this. All right, and then if scores of k greater than 90, then you add to the count. Count equals, sorry, count equals count, you know, +1. Count +1. If count is then equal +1, and this is here like this. Okay, this is the end for the f. All right, and here you go. So let's run it. All right, so at the beginning count equals 1, 2, and 3. So, and how many scores they have? 98, 96, 99. Now I could add as many scores I would like to add. You know, does it make a difference? You could add as many you want. All right, let's run it. So I have 5 scores are higher than 90. So you know, and by the way, you don't have to do all that. So you could also in here, you could hide this in here, and at the end, all you have to say display count. I really don't need to display each loop. Okay, so that's it. 5. Okay, 5. Display the count, which is like 5. All right. So that's what it is. That's how loop works, while works, and you know, you'll use it a lot in your applications when you try to run things. In the next video, we'll talk about break and continue. So sometimes you need to break the loop, and sometimes you need to continue. It means like skip the current loop and go to the next loop. So we'll cover that in the next video. Thank you.